It is Money Monday, and we all know regular tax returns are due April 15th, but for some, today is tax day. Our money expert Paul Hood has the details on what's due today. I hope I didn't just make some people's stomachs drop, like what on earth is due today?
Well, so if you have a business that's taxed as a partnership or an S Corp, it's a flow-through entity, meaning it doesn't pay its own taxes. But its owners can't file their tax return until they get what's called a K-1. So the IRS has those tax returns due 30 days before individual returns are due so that businesses and individuals can get those K-1s. The reason why today is important is back when Obama was president, prior to that it was no big deal, but now they'll charge a penalty of $200, $250 a month per partner per month for every month that you're late. And so we want to make sure there you could get a penalty notice in the middle of the summer for $3,000 or $4,000. So today is that deadline.
So for people that this would apply to, hopefully they have somebody that is keeping them abreast of all of these deadlines that are approaching so that they aren't hit with the penalty.
That's exactly right. Yeah. So and that's why I wanted to bring it up is if your accountant hasn't called you, you need to call them. Because we need to file at least, you can file an extension today and it extends it till September so that we can get out of this. Now, one other thing, Tatum, that people need to know, let's say you forget, your accountant forgets, and you get one of those letters, you know, those fun letters from the IRS that says you owe $3,000 or $4,000. There's automatic relief for a small partnership, not S Corp. If it's an S Corp, you got to fight for it, and a lot of times you're going to get stuck. But a partnership that has 5 or fewer partners, that all the partners timely file their return, there's automatic relief. Now, the IRS is still going to send you that notice and try to get you to pay it, but there's it's called a rev proc that you can quote and get out of that penalty completely. So don't just pay it.
Okay, always good advice. Check with your accountants if you think this might apply to you. Paul, thanks. We're going to take a break. We'll be right back.